Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna talk about the Matic coin. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as I make videos daily on the latest and best altcoins and the crypto world. Now let's dive into the video. Price recovered nearly 60% of losses while Bitcoin and Ethereum thrive. Polygon price overcame the tremble situation in much smaller time frame, rallying more than 5000% in past 1 year. With an increase in the weekly users transaction and volume, Matic price has determined to be listed as one of the best investment of all entire crypto space. The recent price crash dragged the Bitcoin price to $30,000 and Ethereum price below $1,800 in no time. The top two assets are yet attempting hard to surge towards their respective position before the drop, however lowest level around $0.8. While the other altcoin including Bitcoin experienced a second round of drop, Matic price too maintained a descending channel. However, the price initiated with a recovery from the early trading hours and spiked without any pullbacks. At the time of writing, Matic price is $1.52 with a massive jump of 67% in last 24 hours. Currently, the prime focus would be to surpass the $1.5 pivotal zone and strongly sustain to keep the bullish momentum intact. Technical specifications. The resistance level is at $2.15, support level is at $0.8, indicators point out towards a buy signal. After spiraling downwards from $2 over the past couple of days, Matic finally cushioned its losses at $0.856. While the candlesticks dropped below 200 SMA green on the 4-hour time frame, the buyers managed to enforce a swift comeback above the long-term moving average, thus avoiding an extended bearish scenario. In fact, the candlesticks even moved above their 20 SMA red, and gains could be seen up to the resistance level at $1.77. Overall, this would result in nearly 100% surge in value from $0.856. Polygon price prediction. Will Matic price hit $5 by 2021? Matic Network is the emerging cryptocurrency working on a scalability blockchain platform. It processes secured, expandable, and instant transactions powered by proof-of-stake sidechains. It provides free Ethereum-based cryptographic token transfers and payments. With an intensified bullish rally, Matic attracted many new and strong hands, and as a result, the price rallied like a giant. And therefore, new retail traders look at Matic as one of the profitable investment in the coming days. Are you among the traders who share the same thought? The piece of writing is meant to provide you in the depth the information on Matic price prediction for 2021 and beyond. Matic price prediction for 2021. Matic continued to trade at 0.0018 by the early January 2021. Keeping the bullish momentum intact, the price eventually hit an all-time high reaching the $1.8 mark on May 15. The surge was followed after Ethereum scaling solution integrated numerous popular decentralized finance projects and number of transaction it processes per day skyrocketed. According to a data from Matic Network Explorer, Polygon has now processed over 62.4 million transactions and has nearly 700,000 wallet addresses. Per day, it's processing 3.3 million transactions, each costing less than 1 cent paid in the cryptocurrency. In contrast, the cost for transactions on the Ethereum blockchain hit a new all-time high this week, above $64 on average. If Polygon investors successfully surmount the notable resistance around $2, the next upside target for Matic is 361% extension of May consolidation at $3.01. Overall, certain collaboration may result in enhancement of its protocol as well as the platform. The Matic might sink to low as $0.2 if it fails to reach the users. The token might reach newer highs if it focuses on attaining more users and investors. At the end of 2021, Matic might be traded at the $5 mark. So guys, that was my Matic prediction. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Thank you everyone.